Okay, so now let's discuss about the master derived role.
Okay, sir.
Master derived role. So can you tell me what is derived role?
Hello?
Hello?
You say master and derived both are well.
Yeah, please tell me.
You say while creating initially creating master and derived roles, both are single roles only.
Mm-hmm,
If you take inheritance from one single role to another single role,
mm-hmm,
relations will happen like master and derived role.
mm.
This concept, master and derived role concept, used for only maintain organizational values.
Mm-hmm. You tell me now, derived role, how do you identify derived role?
By checking that inheritance tabule there, to
Correct.
check
By
the
by checking inheritance. What does it mean actually?
inheritance means it will take the master data complete authorization data will
Mm-hmm. I'll tell you.
copy copy from
See, master role is something like let's say mother or father. You can call it as mother or father.
okay,
Okay. Now derived role is child. We can call it as a child role also, derived role also. Okay.
okay,
So whenever you create a child, okay,
okay,
okay, whenever you create a child, you need to tell who is the father. Okay.
okay,
So now let me create one role here. Okay. So PFCG, I'll go to PFCG. Okay. Now I wanted to create an one role. So like how we have to do the naming convention is very important here. Okay. So I will create like Z test derived. For let me create a first master role. Master. Okay.
okay,
This is my master role.
okay.
Is it there already? No. Master. Sorry. Wait. Master role. For testing, you can mention if you want to. Okay. Now this is my master role. Okay.
Okay.
Now go back. Okay. Now I will create a derived role. This is my derived role. Now I'm creating a child. Okay. Let's assume I wanted to create on a derived role or child role. We can call it as. Now I need to tell who is the father, who is the mother. Okay. Also we can call it as a parent role also. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now I'm searching that role. G test star. If you search here, that will come G test master. So now let me execute this one. Where is my role? G test master. Here it is, master role. Okay, I have given. Now I am telling he is the father of this guy, this child. Okay, understood now?
Yes, yes.
If father is not there, this will become a single role. Simple.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
parent if not there, parent means this will become a this one. Understood, right? So
So,
now when we usually create this one, okay, so like this kind of concept will come, whenever you have a different organization values. Okay,
okay, okay,
so let's say suppose we can take it as example. Shell petrol bunk is there na Shell group.
okay, okay,
They have so many business across the world.
okay,
Correct. No, at the time we have want to maintain. So that's where the this kind of when you have a multiple business expansion, so you have a multiple business partner. At the time we will go for this one, this kind of concept.
okay,
Okay, so that's the thing. It is something if role is in relationship with inheritance, as I told, it's a called as what, child role or derived role, we
master,
can call it derived role. Or
parent
I'm
role.
talking about this one, derived role only.
Okay,
if role if role has a inheritance.
okay,
Okay, why didn't you save this one? Mm, okay, it's asking transport. Is See, the inheritance is added here. Now we can
okay,
easily identify this is a derived role. Okay,
okay.
so whenever you want to add any T code, okay, through always you need to add it in the derived role only. So now this
No,
is
no.
my derived role. Sorry.
Is a small
Correct,
correction
correct.
is a
Got it. So I'm checking. Okay. So whenever we wanted to add any cause T code, all of that, where we have to add
master role.
master role. This is my master role. So now here the transaction option is there. So it
Yes,
was
yes,
not there over there. Or like now it was not there. Correct, right? So we
yes,
can
yes,
only maintain the arg values over there.
yes, yes,
Understood, na?
yes,
So
yes.
that is the one thing.
Okay.
So derived role will be derived from the master, as you know, right?
Okay. Yes, yes.
So it's all depends on like how do we identify the derived role? It's based on the what?
Near ends.
Based on the arg values. Inheritance that is done. So based on the arg values, we'll be identifying that one.
Oh, okay, yes, yes,
Understood, na? So this is
yes.
how we identify the master role and derived role. So sometime they will ask you how many derived roles can be derived from a master. Is there any answer?
No, no, there is no limit. Vijay. You can.
Correct. Correct. So there is no limit at all. You can add how many you want. You can add it. Okay. So now you understood the difference between master and derived roles. So what is the
Yes.
exactly the difference between master and derived role?
Yeah, difference is only you can maintain organization values in their role. Nothing
Correct.
can do in
Hmm.
their role.
Correct. So
All
that is the.
operation will maintain in master role only.
Hmm.
Only for organization value purpose, we will use their role.
Hmm. So if you want to add any transaction code, automatically it will move to the
Their role.
correct. So I'm adding some key codes here. Okay. Let me add one more key code SU10. I'm assigning the key codes here. Okay. Now this is my this one. Now let me go back to the derived role here. One second. Let me see. Now I have added the this one, right? So now
Yes, yes,
what
yes.
we have to do? We can come here, authorization tab. We have reached out, right? So
Change
here,
operation.
if you maintain the authorizations, definitely that whatever you do changes, it's like it will flow to where?
Derived role.
Correct. We come to derived role. Whatever you want to do, any changes, you have to do it from the master role only. Okay.
Yes, 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 yes.
So this is the concept. Now let's understand the menu option. Like, see, now we have this one. Now I wanted to, generate the profiles. Now we have a change authorization data. So usually whenever we do the first time, we'll come and do it. This option will prefer. Okay, now it's asking my the organizational. Let me give one and two. The org save it. Okay. So now what will happen?
It will update in derived role also.
Really? No, it will not update.
Yeah, we need to do in master role.
I did it in
In
master role only. This is master
in
role, right?
we need to do one step here in master role. We need to do one step. Go
What step?
authorization tab.
Okay. Hmm.
Here on top, we need to do one activity here.
Hmm. So now what has happened here? So here we have generated the profile. Okay, we are given full
Okay.
authorization. Now the
Okay.
profile is generated here. In the master role, it is generated, but it is not
Yes.
moving
Yes.
to the derived role because we are
Okay.
not moved that inheritance. We need to push the changes now. Okay,
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay.
so
Yeah, that one.
generate derived roles. Whenever you push that one, the changes goes to derived role.
Then okay. So
Okay, so
then
whatever you want to like, so you want for mother will feed. Okay, So baby will
Okay,
be in
okay.
home. So whatever you
No,
feed, it will go to directly to baby inside, something like
okay.
that. Okay. So now we need to push like this.
Just show that description, is it? That generate?
Which one?
That one. Beside generator.
Name you
Yeah.
want to see? Generated derived
Generate.
roles.
Okay, okay.
Derived roles.
Generate roles. Okay,
Mm,
okay. Generate roles.
mm. So now save. Go back one step. Save. Coming still low. Wait.
Saved vision.
It is showing still low. 1 second. Mm. So
Mm.
now this is authorization tab is green, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Now let me go back one step. Come back again here. This should be green, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah. So this is how we'll be doing it. Okay.
Right.
So now what has happened? Like now I want to do one more changes. Okay. Now I'll go to export mode. Okay. Now can you tell me once again this one what exactly this meaning is? So
Uh,
now I
whenever
want to do
we, is it?
now you tell me, wait 1 second.
Mm.
Now you tell me, okay, I see in SU24 they did some changes. Okay.
Oh, is it?
Okay. Some additional field values they have maintained it, but I don't want. Okay. Now what option do you select?
First option will select delete and recreate profile and other
Why you want
relations.
to delete? I want whatever is there, I want. Okay. Now I have maintained arg values 0102. I want that. I don't want to delete it. Okay.
Okay, in that
Okay.
situation,
Hmm.
we need to go with the third option, read old states and merge with new data.
No. See, when see, I will tell you delete and recreate means whatever so far you have maintained. Okay, the arg value 0102, what it's everything gets cleaned up.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
let me show you this one. If I do this one, delete option, see, it's coming again. Please maintain it. So that means now I will
Okay.
give a full authorization here. Save it. Why is it taking 2 times? Or okay, generated. Okay, now understood now.
Yes, yes.
So it will delete. Now what I was saying to you is this will be delete entire your whatever you have maintained so far. It will recreate. Okay. So now you said I said two scenarios here. Okay, two scenarios will come here.
Okay.
Somebody did changes in SU24. So in SU01, okay, we have a
Right.
three options like field values. There will be by default they will maintain. Okay. Now they have added one extra field values. At the time, what you have to do? I don't want that changes. I don't want SU new SU24 changes to be to add this in role. At the time, you can go for edit old status. Okay, whatever status I have presently, I want only that means you can go for that one. No, whatever changes in SU24 it is happening, I want to be upgrade, then you can go for a read old status and merge with the new data. Okay, merge whatever new data come from SU24 that gets merged here. Understood now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm. So that is the these things. Okay, so edit old status. Sometime most of the organization will follow that one. This is for your information. You will be wondering this is true. You will going forward you can get to know. Understood now?
Yes, yes. Mm.
Most of the organization they follow edit old status only. Some people don't want the new data. They want only whatever they want, then that's it. They want that. No extra access they required. At the time they go for this one, edit old status.
Yeah.
So that is one thing. And we have discussed about the traffic lights, right?
Nice. Yes.
Uh, so traffic lights also we have discussed all about the the green. Whenever let's summarize one more time. Okay. So if it is green means field values are maintained. Field values whatever we maintain. So now I have maintained now.
Yes.
That's why it's showing standard. Okay. So if you do any changes like field values, if you do any field values, no, if you edit or something like that, then it will show you need attention. Okay. Let
Yes.
me remove this one second. Edit, save. See, it's showing
Yellow.
maintained
Maintain.
yellow.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. This is
Okay.
how it will show maintained means. Maintained means what? If you change any value.
Right.
Standard means what? Whatever SU24 it is throwing. These are all SU24 changes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that means it's a standard changes. Understand na?
Yes. Yes.
So that is one thing. Let me add back. What was the value? The, see again I replaced. So it was green signal now. So whenever you maintain an organization value, okay, what will happen? See, this is my organization value. I'll remove one organization value. It should show what color?
Red color.
Red color. See, red color. That's how the this traffic lights will be working. Save. Okay. So we have discussed about green, yellow, red. Correct now you understood, right? Standard,
Yes.
maintain. Now changed.
Changes.
So what is changed means?
If you modified standard field values,
Mhm.
then it status will become changed.
Mm. But see, sometime what will happen if you change anything, okay? So that is not appropriate way, okay? If you
Okay.
really required, you can change it off, but that is not a traditional way, not recommended. So if you wanted to do any changes, you have to do it if that changes required for you in a long lasting, okay? So in future also, I want these changes means where you will go and do it.
SU24.
Yes, in SC24 you have to do it. That is a traditional way that you can follow. Okay, so that
Okay.
is a better way. So whenever you want to do any changes, you want that changes you required, better you go and do it in SC24. The same changes will come and do it here. So usually we should ignore, try to as much as possible. We should ignore changed. Okay, otherwise it will become so mess. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so that is one thing. So now let's say 1 second, I will change it now here. Wait, not this one. I wanted to show something for you. This one I don't want. Now if you want to search any authorization object, you can come Control F and you can hit this one. You come here. Now see, okay, I have some option here. Add, create, change display. Correct now?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So now let me delete this one option. I'll remove and delete options. Save it. Okay. Now where is it? Wait, 1 second. So now this is become changed. What does it mean? Change means?
Standard field values modified.
Exactly. Something you did. That means so where do you check if you wanted to check this one? Who
Is it?
did changes? Who did these changes? How do you identify?
SUIM change documents.
Correct. So that's how. Okay, that is the one thing. Understood na?
Yes. Yes.
So what else we have to discuss under? So manually, if you add any manually, like if you see we have manual option here, so you can add any authorization object, you can add it here. That
Okay.
is manually, but that is not the appropriate way. That is you are bypassing the actual way.
Authorization.
Mm, okay, so this is all about the this thing. So no doubts, right? Here we have already discussed multiple times about this.
Yes.
So
Yes.
now you understood the master role and derived role concept, correct? Na?
Yes. Yes.
Mm. So now I wanted to tell you one more thing. Okay.
Yes.
Mm. Let's say I have one derived role. Okay,
Yes.
I'll go to edit. Wait, let me create one another role. Gtest HR single role. Can you tell me some roles? I mean, T code HR related.
PA starts with PA.
PA 30, PA 40. Okay, two T codes I have. Let me generate quickly this one. Okay, let me keep this one. Okay, now I have one role. Okay,
Yes.
so I have a derived role, or I will take single role. Where is my single role? This one. Okay, I'll go to edit button now. Okay,
Yes.
one second, authorization menu. Okay, so here now like I want two T codes. Okay,
Yes.
along with this. Okay, so there is a one role. Okay, HR related role. Okay, I want that T code also. Let's say you you say, let's assume security person only.
Okay.
If you want any role T codes, I have created just now. I have created one role. No, from
Yes.
that role, whatever T codes are there, I want here. How do you do? There is a two ways. We can come and we can add it directly here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
If it is 50 T codes are there, what do you do?
Copy. Roll copy.
Role copy, it won't work. Okay. Role copy, this is should be replicatable of this one. Okay.
Okay.
And should not replicate duplicate role. Same, but something should be changed. But I have 50 T codes in that. Okay, in one that's another role. I want all 50 T codes here. So there's a two one way like which we go to PFCG, we'll check why sorry the role, what are the T codes are there, copy and add it here. That is one process.
Okay.
If it is 50, 100 all, it's difficult, right? At the time you can go for a menu option here.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you can click menu option here. So here, oh not this one, sorry. From menu, see, this is menu option. Okay,
Okay.
menus option here. It says SAP menu, another local menu, SAP area. This one, all option will be we have this one. So
Okay.
if you have a insert file, okay, if you have 1,000 T codes, you can just come and import the file. You can all the roles will, I mean, T codes will be coming here. So now I wanted to import from another role,
Okay. Okay.
another menu also you can do that. Another role if you want, even I want local system. Local system means this one only.
Okay.
Target means another system. So this will
Okay.
be connected through RFC. If we want to
Okay.
connect through a different system, it has to connect.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
let me go for RFC. Okay, now give me that role. What is that role? This one. Okay.
Okay.
Execute. Any role you can use. Select this role, click on OK. See, now it's asking how many T codes you want. I want both.
Okay.
If you want single, you can select just single. Now add. It's showing add symbol.
Okay. Okay.
Add it. See.
Okay. This one is new for me. See?
Hmm. Hmm. So now save it.
Okay.
Now one more thing is there. Okay. This is menus. You understood, right? Menu all of this option.
Yes. Yes.
I
Yes.
am not sure about the additional activities. I don't know. If you know, you can tell me later. No problem. And these are menu option. Here, what does it mean here? See, suppose you have given a SAP NWC access for this person. Okay,
Okay.
you wanted to hide for some time, but
Okay.
for that NW access is required for him. But now you wanted to hide for some time. Go to menu option.
Mm.
Okay, it's asking hide menu from NWPC query launchpad. You could not access. Okay,
Okay.
he cannot access. If you add hide SAP access menu, you cannot use SAP also.
Okay.
For now, you can add it this one SAP menu NWPC. Then you cannot use NWPC or Fury Launchpad. You cannot. If you just save it, then gone. You cannot use at all.
Okay.
Understood now?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So this all about master derived role, and these are the other options which we have discussed. Okay, let me stop this recording.